beast. Going to get the TTRS brakes done, so let me just check in the boot, make sure them brakes are in there. Once we go on, the engine light is finally come on because of the catback exhaust. So we got the discs, pads should be in here. Let me just close my toolbox as well, good thing I checked as well. I'm going to try and retrofit them to the Subaru. Check that bad boy out. Anyways, let's go and fit this. Right guys, what's happening? On our way to CPC, so you hear that bad boy? TTRS baby! I'm going to get the brakes sorted, TTRS brakes. Did a video today in the morning, didn't get time to upload it, man. I'm really packed with time these days, so just want to apologize for not been managing to upload and stuff. I've already got, I think, 4 videos in the pipeline already. I don't know how I'm going to upload them, but they will be uploaded. Drop it down to 3rd, have a good look around and take this roundabout like a pro race driver, because that's exactly what I am. Yeah guys, so yeah, so we're heading to CPC Engineering now, and yeah, I want to get the brakes done. They're going to do that today, so the car should be ready today to be picked up. Hope you enjoy the new style of videos I'm doing. I'm going to be doing similar, like a one-day morning, because I go for a jog in the morning and stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing a little let's talk kind of video. Let's talk about cars. I don't know what I'm going to call them. Edited the video, didn't upload it yet, but it's going to be something I'm going to do once a week, because I actually enjoy chatting about my cars and shit like that. Yeah, it's just worth doing at all times, mate. Best way to get to know you. Can't do stuff like that when you doing a video on a car and stuff like that, but I've got some big plans for the channel, and I've mentioned them in today's video. So I'm going to do a part 1 and a part 2, because the videos are pretty long, man. They're going like 10 minutes, 15 minutes long, so make sure you guys watch them to the end. If you don't, you're going to miss out on a hell of a lot of great information, and without that information, you people are not going to know what's going on the channel. So make sure you guys constantly watch the videos, make sure you guys watch it to the end. Trust me, there ain't no other channel that's going to be giving content like this that brings the viewers more involved than I'm going to be doing it. So I'm doing this for Life on the Throttle. It's our channel, guys. It's not my channel. This channel ain't nothing without you guys, so remember that. I don't do car reviews. I don't do shit like that. So my channel is based on my car diaries, and it's not something that you just do a review on a car and people watch it, that's the end of it. No, this is a everlasting channel. This is a progressing channel, and you guys as the viewers interact, and you guys be part of the channel by commenting below. Let me know your thoughts on the thoughts that I've shared with you guys, and that's how this channel is going to go. So over the years, as time goes on, I've got some big plans for now, right now as we speak, and I've mentioned them in my video. So I've done a part 1, and I've done a part 2 because the video went on for quite a long time, and it's good stuff. It's great stuff that's I've been thinking about. I just want to know what you guys think about it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think when you watch them videos. I will probably upload them after I upload this video. Will probably make more sense because I'm telling you now. So yeah, I guess I've done it in the wrong order, but fuck it, that's the way it's going to happen. Anyways guys, we're heading to CPC Engineering now, and I will flip the camera. No, I will continue recording when I get there, because I can't flip the camera. There's cars in front, and there's no point in me just driving with cars in front because I can't go fast. And it's a 60 road, but I'm doing 42 miles per hour. Fucked up. Hot day, amazing day by the way, guys. If you ain't out, go out in this lovely weather when you get the chance. And Let's get into the video when we get to CPC Engineering. 3.2 has been done, picked it up, did a video on that the other day. Absolutely shit video, rushed it. So I will have to do another video on that, but you got the update here. Many more things to come, Subaru content. I'll do a video on that today. I don't know how I'm going to upload all these videos. I've got so many videos already waiting to be uploaded, so it's just a bit fucked up. I'll probably just do 3 videos today. So make sure you watch the videos, guys. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this channel. Make sure you share this channel, and make sure you continue being a part of Life on the Throttle, because we go in places, and you don't want to miss that, because I've got some big plans, and I'm pretty sure what I've got in mind is going to be amazing, and you guys want to be part of it. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers as well. We do some sort of a giveaway, and yeah, everyone's doing raffles, and I'm planning on doing a lot of raffles. I've got tons of shit to do that, guys. So yeah, if you ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you when we get to CPC, guys. Peace out, and stay watching the video. Bye. Take that bad boy, people. TTRS, baby, you're not ready. Loving it. Right, guys, CPC Engineering, you know how we do it. Check this bad boy out. A few nice cars here. Let me flip the camera around and show you around. There's always something new here. CPC, heat them up, man. These guys are on it. Check it out. Damn, boy. Car looks savage. Oh, I love it. Engine bay is clean as fuck. Still looking good. Brakes looking shit, you know we do. Carbon looking good. Interior looking good. Manual, duh, you know we got that shit on lock. TTRS, seats looking good. Pop the door. Flat bottom steering wheel, looking good. Check the pedals out there, looking good. Lottery ticket on the floor, I didn't even check that. I could have been a winner, man. I don't know why I do that. Door trim, looking good. Cars over there. That there, base, looking good. Duh, you know how we do. Getting a suntan, guys, as you can see. Chilling in the sun. Waiting for these guys to hit the brakes up. Once they are done, I'm going to take this car for a run. Top it up. This car is juicy. Oh, by the way, the engine lights finally come on. So, you know what that means. We need to hurry up and get that remap done. And we'll be all good. So, let's get these guys to sort the brakes out, and we need to go get the car washed. And we'll take it from there. One sec. There's a lot of shit going on here, people. Marks. That looks sick as well, bro. Look at the brakes on this guy. What this guy's done with this car, it's been sitting here for ages, you know. Look at them wing mirrors. Very nice. Look at the interior on this one. Damn, you can't see. Can't see. The interior looks good. That's nice and clean, man. Yeah, just for the fun of it. Let's watch that. Yes. Rapid, rapid, rapid. Smashed it. That's how they do it around here. Jeez, bird took a shit on the TTRS. Right, guys, we gotta admit. Cinematics.
Get that on video, did ya?
Yeah. People, I'm in a little bad boy Mercedes right now. Turned out the rear caliper was seized, and that's the reason why that side worn out as much as it did, because the piston pushed out, seized, didn't go back, and obviously the pads wore themselves down. So technically that rear caliper has not been working. Good thing I didn't drive it. Car's on the ramps at the minute, so I've been kindly given Phil's Mercedes, badass I might say. I will show you this car. It is so sick. It's like a fucking tank. It's so strong, and it's got so much power as well, mate. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna go pick up a new caliper, a rear caliper, and get back, give it to the guys, and then
in 1 mile at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Amersham Road.
Yeah, that's where I gotta go. So yeah, get the caliper and then give it to the guys, fit the car, fit it to the car. So hopefully the TT will be done today. Yeah, catch you guys in a piece. Let me go where I need to go, and I will continue the video when I get there. Nice one, guys. Stay watching and enjoy this. Right, guys, I just picked up the things we need. That's the cost of it. Check driving, mate. Shit's a tank, man. Make sure I lock the door. Right. Look at this bad boy. Jeez. Shit's a sick car, man. If ever you guys get a chance to drive one of these things, drive it, man. So got the caliper. Let me take it back and get them to fit it and go back into the fucking video, mate. Hopefully get done, but yeah. Cost me £141 for the caliper, rear caliper. Quite expensive, but it's going to do the job for now. I'm planning to upgrade the brakes at some point, so yeah, I guess it's all right. Another one there, and over there. Nice and free. What's crack-lacking, people? End of the day, as you can see, no more sun shining. Boy, has it been a long day. Rear calipers, absolutely nothing but a nightmare, mate, and I'm glad they're done. One's been replaced, the other one literally had to get rebuilt. It's been an absolute nightmare. Good news though, Saturday I will be taking the Miltec exhaust pipe to get fitted to the car. Getting spark plugs done, another oil change as well, so I'm looking forward to that. The car's literally going to be ready to go again for another few thousand miles, and we'll be going for a stage 2 remap at some point as well. I really want to take this car stage 2 and RS4. Yeah, I really want to take this car to stage 2, and I'm going to leave it there for a bit and just enjoy flat foot shifting, launch control, pops and bangs, straight through exhaust pipe, everything else, I guess, flames maybe, hopefully. Just enjoy the car, you know. It's going to be absolute blast to have, and that's what I want to do with this. And when we get to that point, we're going to leave it, and then we're going to concentrate on doing polybush, everything, coilovers as well, be good, probably a nice set of wheels, Not to say I don't like these, love these wheels, but I'm looking for something a bit lighter. Anyways guys, I'm going to flip the camera around just before we end it, and I'm going to show you around the car for the last time, and get my amazing thumbnail. And make sure if you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. I'm telling you now guys, make sure you watch all the videos to the end. There's a lot of stuff you guys don't want to miss, so be sure to keep watching these videos, and be sure to follow the channel, because I've got a good idea and I think it's going to be an amazing thing to do. I will say it now, make sure you watch the other videos, my morning vlogs, what's on my mind, get to know me, stuff like that. I think it's going to be good. You know, you want to watch someone, you want to get to know them. Little morning vlogs, everyone does vlogs, people like watching it, so you might as well watch me guys. Let me show you the brakes, and I'll end the video just after that. There's my new caliper there guys, and new brakes all in there. Oh, not too hard, just been driving it, so yeah, it's all nice. I'll give this wheel a nice clean tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to doing that. And let's go to the other side. Oh, so good. And there's the other side there. That wheel's nice and clean, and that's looking good. Looks like it's never been bloody touched. But yeah, it's hot. Yeah, it's looking good. Why does that one not have as many marks as this one has? This side is a brand new one, so yeah, let's just hold the wear down nicely. But that's it, they're done. Front ones, as you can see, looking nice. Better paint them. So nice brakes, pads, brakes, everything done. Literally ordered the stuff to do myself, people, but to be honest, with the time frame I've got these days, trying to work a bit more and stuff like that, life's getting in the way as well, to be honest, so I'm trying to just fit a lot of things in. Car, long story short, people, brakes are done. A lot more stuff to be done on the car, so stay tuned. I'll be dropping a video Saturday. Hopefully I can film a lot of stuff. To be fair, I don't really want to make the guy, pressure him to make me film and stuff. I mean, I'm getting to know him as well, so it's good that building a nice relationship, and then in the end he knows I'm doing YouTube and stuff, so just give him some time to feel a bit natural in front of the camera, and then we can get a whole lot more stuff. I've still got a lot of cars I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be using him a lot as well now, so it's been good. It's been a good day. Built a few relationships with the people I go to, so it's a win-win for the channel. And have a few arrangements that I'm going to have with them, and cost for things I'm going to do. So yeah, it's been a blast. Anyways, people, hope you're well. Stay safe, guys, and make sure you watch the other videos I upload, and see you people in the next one, guys. Take care and have a good night, people, or good day wherever you are, and see you lot in the next video. Bye bye.